Welcome to Purposefully AI. Discover how to earn up to $500 a month with a quiet AI side hustle, AI copywriting. This beginner-friendly method doesn't require fancy tech or writing talent. You'll learn the exact workflow, essential tools, and how to start in the next 48 hours. Let's start by understanding what AI copywriting is and why it's such a powerful opportunity. Every business needs compelling words for websites, ads, emails, and product pages, but many owners lack the time or skill to write them effectively. This is where you come in. AI copywriting allows you to sell writing services by feeding the AI the right prompts, polishing its output, and delivering fast, professional copy. The first crucial step is to pick a niche. Don't try to write for everyone. Choose a specific group you understand, such as Etsy sellers, realtors, coaches, or small local shops. Knowing your audience makes every word easier to write. Use ChatGPT to test your niche. Ask it to write descriptions for relevant products or services. In seconds, you'll have a strong draft to edit and use as a portfolio piece. Once you have your samples, it's time to post your offer and start attracting clients. Head to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig titled AI-Powered Copywriting, Fast, Affordable, and Human. Upload your compelling samples. Start by charging a modest $20 to $30 per gig. Your initial goal is to gather testimonials and feedback, which will help you refine your workflow and build credibility. Now let's look at the simple tool stack you'll need to make this side hustle work effectively. You only need 3 core tools: ChatGPT for generating content, Grammarly for polishing tone and grammar, and Canva Docs or Notion for formatting and delivery. That's it. No paid subscriptions, no advanced software. If you can type, you can run this business with ease. To stand out, you need to deliver like a pro. This means more than just generating text. When a client orders, start by asking good questions. Who's the audience? What emotion should the copy create? What's the call to action? Then, instruct ChatGPT using proven formulas like AIDA or PAS. After the AI drafts the copy, read it aloud, smooth transitions, adjust the tone, and inject personal touches. This is what truly separates you from those who simply copy and paste. Let's talk about what you can realistically expect to earn with this side hustle. Beginner copywriters typically charge $20 to $50 per project, allowing you to earn $400 to $600 a month while learning. As you gain practice and testimonials, you can comfortably raise your rates to $75 to $100 per project. At higher rates, you're essentially building a small AI-assisted agency with part of your business running on autopilot. This AI copywriting side hustle is simple, scalable, and perfectly built for beginners. You don't need to be a seasoned writer. Just guide the AI and deliver value fast.